Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the three major indexes. Just before I start today's video, I just want to start by saying a massive congratulations to everyone over on my Signal team. We have closed out two profitable trades today, one in the S&P 500 where we yielded 1.3% and another in Nvidia. We were buyers of Nvidia going into the print yesterday. I expressed this on my X page actually during yesterday's trading session. These were a few comments that I made about Nvidia that I was kind of predicting there to be a 5 to 7% pop, and I said, Nvidia is the new Apple, and that's exactly what we saw yesterday. So anyone who's been watching my videos for some time, if you're interested in joining my Signal team and being part of the trading community here at Daily Market Movements, then make sure you visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video. Scroll down, sign up. It's that simple. Also, just want to quickly talk about performance as well. So far this month we are now up a total of 12.53% after that huge win in Nvidia where we gained 9.15%. So that means so far this year we're at 26.62%. So make sure you visit dailymarketmovements.com to join. But let's get started here with the S&P 500, still trading within this ascending triangle. We nearly closed toward the downside, but of course Nvidia rescued the day. I did say actually in my video yesterday that could potentially be the case, but that being said, I am starting to take profits here. I took profits today obviously in my Signal team. I'm no longer a buyer here of US equities, and that's because look at this ascending wedge. We are about to, in my opinion, break towards the downside in the coming week or two. I think that then obviously will set the tone going into the middle of March where we are expected to see some digestion. Just moving over to Nasdaq100 again, we've exploded towards the upside. We nearly closed out of this ascending wedge, but we're now trading back within it. But if we just kind of extend that a little bit, we don't have that much further to climb here until we meet an area of significant resistance. Of course 18,000 with it being a large round psychological figure, that obviously is going to cause some problems, but we only really have around 2% upside until I think that we would meet some sort of resistance and potentially go and trade lower. And then finally moving over to the DowJones30, Dow currently trading at 38,900, up around 1% today. Again, this is a market that I do believe is due some heavy consolidation as we work our way through till mid-March. One positive chart that I really like is the dollar. We just come off this 5 wave followed by this ABC correction. In my opinion, that's now finished, and we are likely to see a very big move lower here in the US dollar, perhaps below 100, and that could potentially fuel a equity rally as we go into the month of April through to year end. As well as that, we also have the 10-year bond yield. This is also very similar to the US dollar. I think that we are expected to see a significant move lower here in the 10-year yield, and that of course could potentially fuel a rally in the stock market. But I think it'll be more focused on the small caps and the equal weighted S&P 500 rather than the Magnificent 7. The Mag 7 aren't really that affected by higher interest rates because they have very, very strong balance sheets. So that's why investors are piling into stocks like Nvidia today, because there are rumors that interest rates are creeping up. That has been evident since the start of this year. We're now trading up at 4.3 and no longer below 4%, but that could change. With the 10-year starting to fall, we could see money start to flow out of the Mag 7 and into the small caps. And of course, there's still $6 trillion on the sideline, and that is really going to be key if we are going to see the S&P 500 continue its march towards the upside, and it will be because of the equal weighted S&P and the small caps. But that's going to wrap it up for today's video, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget, if you want to join my Signal team, visit my website, dailymarketmovements.com. The website link is in the description of today's video, and I'll see you all tomorrow. Thank you.